Welcome back to Bike Zone, your trusted source for everything on two wheels. Today, we take a deep dive into one of the most thrilling street fighters of the year, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-S1000. Suzuki has long been a major player in the naked sport bike scene, and the GSX-S1000 continues to evolve, offering sharp styling, high-end performance, and advanced rider aids. Whether you're a commuter, canyon carver, or weekend warrior, this machine is built to excite. Let's explore why the 2025 model deserves your attention. Legacy of the GSX-S1000 line. The GSX-S1000 has always drawn its DNA from the iconic GSX-R series. Built for riders who want superbike performance without the aggressive ergonomics of a race machine, the GSX-S1000 merges power with practicality. Since its debut, it has carved out a strong identity in the Streetfighter segment, muscular, agile, and unapologetically fast. The 2025 version continues the tradition but turns the dial up with modern tech and refined engineering. Design and styling, aggressive and futuristic. Suzuki has given the GSX-S1000 a bold new look for 2025. The aggressive sharp-edged headlamp design, which features vertically stacked LED lights, gives the bike a fierce, modern expression. The minimalistic bodywork and exposed frame components underline the bike's muscular street fighter persona. The sculpted fuel tank is larger this year, holding 19 liters, which extends your riding range without adding bulk. The overall design emphasizes function. Every vent, line, and cut contributes to performance, from aerodynamics to rider ergonomics. Color options for 2025 include metallic Triton blue, matte black, and a new gunmetal gray with red accents, a bold statement that reflects the GSX-S1000's power and aggression. Engine and performance, super sport power, street manners. At the heart of the 2025 GSX-S1000 is a revised 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, derived from the legendary GSX-R 1000 K5 power plant. Suzuki has tuned this engine for more mid-range torque and improved responsiveness, making it ideal for real-world riding conditions. It pumps out an exhilarating 152 horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 106 Nm of torque, offering explosive acceleration and a flexible power band that's equally at home in city traffic or on open highways. Suzuki's ride-by-wire throttle system returns in 2025 with improved calibration, delivering crisp, controlled response in every gear. The slick 6-speed transmission is paired with a bidirectional quickshifter, allowing clutchless upshifts and downshifts, a feature that enhances performance and rider confidence. Chassis and handling, precision on every corner. The 2025 GSX-S1000 features an aluminum twin-spar frame designed for both rigidity and weight savings. It provides sharp steering inputs and excellent feedback through the corners, giving riders the confidence to push hard when the road gets twisty. The KYB inverted front forks and rear monoshock are fully adjustable, letting riders dial in suspension settings to match their weight, riding style, or road conditions. Whether you're carving up a mountain pass or hitting the freeway, the suspension setup offers a comfortable yet controlled ride. A pair of twin 310mm front discs with Brembo calipers provide strong, consistent braking performance, backed by a reliable ABS system that helps prevent wheel lockup during emergency stops. At the rear, a 240mm disc adds balance and control under braking. Technology and electronics, smart and safe. Suzuki has significantly upgraded the electronics package in the 2025 GSX-S1000. The bike now features a 5-inch TFT full-color display, offering customizable layouts, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone pairing. It provides real-time information such as gear position, lean angle, ride mode selection, and navigation prompts. The Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, comes standard, giving riders access to multiple ride modes A, B, and C, which alter throttle response, power delivery, and traction control sensitivity. Traction control now comes with 5 levels, plus an off mode for experienced riders looking for full control. Cruise control, low RPM assist, and easy start are also standard, making the GSX-S1000 more practical for daily commuting and long-distance rides. Combined, these features make the bike not only fun to ride but also incredibly adaptable to rider preference. Ergonomics and comfort, built for real roads. While the GSXS-1000 is undeniably a performance machine, Suzuki hasn't ignored comfort. The bike features a revised rider triangle, with slightly raised handlebars for a more upright and natural riding position. The seat is firm but supportive, suitable for both spirited rides and longer tours. Pillion comfort is improved too, thanks to a slightly broader rear seat and more substantial foot pegs. For those considering weekend getaways or lightweight touring, the 2025 GSXS-1000 can be outfitted with optional soft luggage and a small windscreen, giving it some serious versatility. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Despite its impressive performance credentials, the 2025 GSXS-1000 is surprisingly efficient. Thanks to fuel injection optimization and aerodynamic refinements, it delivers around 40 miles per gallon, 17 kilometers per liter, under normal riding conditions. Combine that with the expanded fuel tank, and you're looking at a real-world range of nearly 300 kilometers, 186 miles, between fill-ups, not bad for a liter-class naked bike. Whether you're heading to work or blasting through mountain twisties, the GSXS-1000 is ready to deliver without killing your wallet at the gas station. Final thoughts: who is this bike for? The 2025 Suzuki GSXS-1000 is built for riders who want thrilling performance, modern electronics, and head-turning style in one aggressive package. It's a bike that thrives on twisty roads and holds its own in urban jungles. If you've been looking for a naked sport bike that delivers superbike DNA with everyday usability, this machine should be on your radar. It's not just about raw speed, it's about balance, confidence, and the thrill of riding. Suzuki has sharpened its Streetfighter to offer more than just attitude, it offers substance. And in today's competitive middleweight and leader class markets, that makes all the difference. Outro, only on BikeZone. That wraps up our full review of the 2025 Suzuki GSXS-1000, a perfect blend of power, tech, and streetwise attitude. What do you think of Suzuki's latest offering? Would you take this over the competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BikeZone for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and motorcycle news from around the world. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and ride safe.